The coronavirus pandemic has affected how people celebrate holidays like Halloween. The notion that the traditional trick-or-treating by children will be curtailed has inspired alternatives now, including various drive-through experiences in Los Angeles, California. Here's a report by Voice of America.
The threat of COVID-19 infection is limiting most gatherings, from large holiday celebrations to small birthday parties. So what happens when your child's birthday falls on October 31st, better known as Halloween? Well, if Dad is the CEO of Experiential Supply, the company that creates large-scale immersive experiences for big Hollywood movies, you get WION LA, a several city blocks long drive-through event.
Happy Halloween!
The scary sights and sounds are bringing socially distant joy to Los Angeles residents.
It's been so sad because we haven't been able to do anything for Halloween. So when we saw this was here, we were so excited to come.
We're not being able to go trick-or-treating or seeing our friends, so this is a really good escape and way to get into the Halloween spirit.
Employing all coronavirus precautions such as masks, social distancing and sanitized pumpkins, the experience takes visitors through a jack-o'-lantern tunnel, a giant pumpkin patch, trick-or-treating lane and the town of Halloween, inhabited by various scary characters.
It gets crazy after dark. You gotta watch out for the witches, because they got all the tricks and the treats.
The main challenge, according to the creators, was the size of the drive-through event.
We're literally at 30,000 pumpkins or more, probably about 7,000 stacks of hay, or hay stacks, or hay bales. It's just the amount of space that we've been able to cover, and we wanted to make sure that it wasn't just a quick drive-through, that literally people got to have an experience.
Interest in drive-throughs, an essential part of California lifestyle for decades, had been waning. But with limits to crowd sizes brought on by the coronavirus pandemic, business is booming again.
They've had drive-through wedding chapels, drive-through, of course, drive-in movie theaters, which are back now very strong. There's drive-in movies everywhere. Drive-through funeral parlors they had.
A conservation group offered another Halloween drive-through experience, a self-guided tour of 5 storybook-style houses in the city.
Storybook architecture is meant to kind of inspire this fantasy of the past and this fantasy of the magical creatures that are living inside, whether it's sort of hobbits or witches or warlocks or goblins. And all the houses on this trail have that kind of fantastical, whimsical quality.
So, despite the pandemic, inventive minds have conjured a Halloween season for Los Angeles residents. Genia Dulo for VOA News, Los Angeles, California.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.